like things to be really simple, but to not look like they were really simple. And this is one of those things. So today we're gonna make a compound butter, which is a fancy way of saying butter with herbs, garlic, and salt all mashed into it. So compound butter sounds fancier and is quicker than what I just said. And to do it, we're gonna use these individual cubes of butter from Challenge because it's 4 tablespoons in this one little cube. And this is a great way to get rid of leftover herbs when you just have a little bit left, like this cilantro, or if you just wanna make sort of individual portions. I'm gonna make a dill, basil, garlic, thyme combination today because I'm gonna add it to clams later tonight for dinner. There is nothing magical about making these. It's ridiculously simple. I have my butter in a bowl and I'm gonna chop some herbs. And my ratio is for every tablespoon of butter, I use a tablespoon of herbs. So this is 4 tablespoons of butter. So I'm gonna do 2 dill, 1 basil, and 1 thyme. Once all the herbs and garlic are in the bowl, I'm gonna mash it around with a fork and lightly salt it. If you're using salted butter, go easy on the salt. If you're using unsalted butter, then you can go a little bit more crazy. So you can use this right away on something like a steak, but I'm going to put it in a little container. I have these perfect 4 tablespoon containers. I'm gonna put it in that. And then tonight, when our clam delivery comes, I'm gonna melt this on top at the very end. And it's going to be perfect. Sometimes it's these little tiny easy things that make your dinner seem extraordinary because a steak is just a steak, but with herbed butter on top, it's something a little more elevated. I hope you try this. If you do, let me know. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and I'll see you here next time.